So this is just an example of one of the ways I've used technology in instruction and to enhance instruction. Um, I was trying to find a way for students to be able to assess their own knowledge, but specific to the content that we were working with, and at their own pace within reason. So the old version of what I did was simply a ticket out, and it was good, but there was many students that hadn't gotten to that point by the end of class, which kind of defeated the point of using the exit ticket. So I tried to find a solution to that. And the first thing I started was using the curriculum map. So I have Rubicon here for this is our Unit 6, Energy, Matter, and Organization, and looking at some of the information, some of the learning outcomes, what students will know and be able to do. We went through this, and I started out with this. And from that, I generated the ticket out, which was the form right here that the students could fill out. And the information recorded from the form obviously went into a Google Sheet, which allowed me to go through and check all of that information, which was very helpful because I can see at a quick glance how well they're understanding the concepts. So we can see right off the bat, pretty much all of them recognize photosynthesis, except for a small handful. And that information, informs me pretty quickly of what's going on. The second benefit to this was that I used AutoCAD, an add-on for this, to merge the document and send that back to them. So this is the ticket out as it used to look, except now what I've done is found a way to merge and give them their reply with a quote-unquote correct answer to that. So they're able to compare their learning to kind of the exemplar and figure out how well they've met those targets. Now, obviously, there's many different learning outcomes all kind of condensed into one place, but it gives them an understanding of the big idea that we were looking at, which was photosynthesis at this point in time, how well they're understanding it, and if they need to seek any sort of additional help or remediation for that work. And they have this shared with them, so they can always refer back to it, especially in preparation for a unit test, that they have this information available and they know where their thinking was at that point in time and can see kind of the accurate portion of that that will inform their ability to increase their understanding of the content and what's going on.